everybody? Welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal here in the DC office with Natural Transplants, and you may remember Tim. Tim is back and joined us. He was here about a year ago. Had his hairline transplant at the time. Tim, man, welcome back.
Hey, thanks. Thanks for having
me. You look awesome. We'll get to that, but in the meantime, tell us about the experience, man. How'd the year go?
Overall, it was pretty cut and dry.
Yeah.
Didn't have any too many adverse effects.
Good.
Healed quick in the back.
Good.
Took a little while for the front.
Yeah. You did have some numbness.
I have some numbing.
Numb
It's still lingering.
The front. Yeah. And
but
it'll go away soon.
Yeah, it's not that bad. Other than that,
good.
I'm loving how it works.
So it's great, man. Yeah. Like we talked about, definitely changes your face. Takes some years off.
For sure.
You definitely look younger. It looks
Still got the grays coming in, but can't do nothing about that.
I can't do anything about that. Exactly. It looks good on you, though. Awesome, man. Do me a favor. Just sort of put your head down like that just for a second. And we're going to overlay the before pictures on you. That way, kind of before and afters. And look left or right, pick a side, whichever way you want to do it. Yeah. Awesome. And another way. It's beautiful. Awesome. Look back at us. Love it, man. Very cool. Anybody, either yourself, anybody else, sort of notice it and do,
I have a friend that noticed it, and he ended up working his way to do the procedure as well. And then I've told a couple other friends, so we'll see if we can bring them your way.
Man, that's the biggest compliment you can have. Man, appreciate you doing this. It's definitely impactful for patients to kind of see the before and afters and that sort of stuff. So thanks, man. Appreciate it.
All right.
Awesome.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.